Poplar is not a very popular firewood. However, it does make a decent campfire wood, recreational firewood, which is a good thing because I have 22 big rounds to split up. So the one thing with poplar is it can be a bit messy to split, not only in the pieces that kind of peel off and the bark that peels off, and it sometimes can be a little stringy, but the other part of it is it can be awful wet. And this wood is wet. Like, it is just leaving water on the beam of the Eastonmade 37D. Like, I'll wipe it off and the next round it's just completely wet again. So in regards to my last video where I mentioned I have something new that I'm going to be showing in an upcoming video, this is not that upcoming video. It will be in another upcoming video. All right, I would say that the trailer is full. Might be able to get a few more pieces in there, but there it is. The 22 rounds definitely filled up the little trailer here. And some of these pieces might be a little big for a bundle, but for the most part, all of this is perfect bundle grade wood. It is just so wet, like just touching it, it's damp. So this stuff is going to need some time to season and dry. Definitely will be for bundles next year, or bags. Next year's bags right there. So the 22 big rounds that were sitting here, they're split up in the trailer, ready to go get stacked, and I'm ready to go have some lunch. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You know it. Stay safe, have fun, and be cool.